Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to discuss about AI question generator, the one I previously built. So I've added a feature which will enable me for me to select the kind of level of difficulty I want the AI question to generate for me. The AI question is actually for multiple choice questions, which the AI is going to generate a multiple choice question for me based on the number required and the mark assigned per question. So I've added a difficulty level where you can be able to select easy, very easy, and so on and so forth, so that the AI can be able to generate questions for you based on uh, the level of the assessment we are preparing for the students. All right, let's look at it and see how it works in practice. All right, so as you can see here on the screen, we already have our AI question generator. So for the AI question generator, we have this. As you can see, I've already selected this particular uh, topics. I selected tuples, sets, nested lists, dictionaries, and when to use each, for intermediate Python programming course. So, so at this point now, I'm going to generate, let's say I'm going to generate four questions, as you can see. So now I want to make it to be a very simple one, so very easy. All right, so now I selected very easy, then I will ask the AI to uh, generate the question for me. All right, so as you can see, I have just clicked generate AI questions. All right, this is awesome. As you can see now, it has already generated the questions for me. So we have a review and edit question before saving. So now this, what you see here is that what does the range function in Python do? So you can see generate a list of numbers. The answer is A. It actually generates a list of numbers. Then we have another question here, which is what is the purpose of using try and except in Python? So the answer to the question here is B. So it is used to handle exceptions. All right, so you can see we have number three here. What does the split method in Python? So now the split method in Python is actually used to convert a string to a lowercase. So let's say this question is actually too simple and you don't want the assessment to be very simple. You want it to be a little bit harder. So you can select here, that is a difficulty level, then you can make it harder. So now, as you can see here, I made it what harder. So let me change this one. Instead of me 4, let me select only 3. Then let me regenerate the multiple choice questions using the AI question generator on Kotlin Class Academy. All right. So I'm regenerating the question. So now, okay, it is done. So now, as you can see, the question has changed. Now the question is now harder compared to the one we previously requested, which is very easy questions. Now, the first question here, as you can see on the screen, is what does the pass statement do in Python? This is a little bit harder for beginners. And then the answer to the question here, as you can see, is bit, which is skips the rest of the code block and continues with the next iteration. Another one here which has to do with what is the purpose of using a zip function in Python, which is a little bit harder question compared to the previous one as well. So this one has to do with what does the enumerate function in Python return. So according to the AI, the correct answer here is C, which is a list of tuples containing index and value pairs. So this is how our AI question generator is powerful. We are still adding some feature that is going to make it so awesome for the platform and for the users as well. Most importantly, as you know, you can still edit this question. If this question is not actually okay, you can edit it. So you see, I can click here and I will change it to whatever I want to change it to. Then before I save the question. So that is how this is actually powerful. I love this product because it's actually going to simplify our work, make us to be more efficient in what we are doing. So let me just, I don't want to save this one, but I'm just trying to show you. Later on, I will come and save uh, the medium one instead of the harder one. I'm just trying to show you what I've added as a feature to the AI question generator. Thank you.